I think one of the biggest challenges in today's society is the public makes it so it's so cool to be an entrepreneur. We see all these successful entrepreneurs, and they make it look so easy, and it almost got just handed to them. It's about flashy clothes, nice cars, cool offices, but at the end of the day, it took hard work to get there. But people forget behind the scenes what people don't see. The work that goes into it, the day in and day out, the grind that's part of entrepreneurship, and also the ups and downs. So when it comes to hard work, I think especially with the younger generation, we forget that everyone we see that's successful, they got there by working at it. We want to help the community out and really just be a blessing. So I think as an entrepreneur, we want to just take, and we look so much into growing our business and making money and becoming successful, keeping up with the Joneses. And it's when we actually don't look at any of those things and we just focus on doing what's right. If you can give as an entrepreneur and not ask for anything in return, all that will come anyways.